So now family, part 2 now. We have about 7 minutes to go. So we're gonna look about a little okra style. We call it a little okra style something. So this is how you cut the okra. So, you know, right on here. Right here, you cut it right there and take off the tip. So as much as you want, you know. You have some of them, these are clean, I just washed them, but this is the nature of them. So there, some of them are like just pale green, plain green, but this is how some of them are, right? So we're taking off these, and when we take off these, we're going to cut them on the bias, like that, okay? You know what we call the bias already, right? So when you cut it, you have it to look out, you know, like a presentation look. Alright, so we're going to finish, get off all of these, sort them out on the bias, and we're going to return now to show you how we are going to put that little okra something together. Because the fish them almost ready to come out of the oven. Because look here, you don't do this, you know. This thing here must be eaten hot. It must be eaten hot or warm enough to eat cold. So you can't do these and then have it and then it lose the color. You want the bright pretty color and everything to step up when you're ready to the plate. Eh? So we're going to get these off and then come back to you. Yes family, you're here with timer. Yes, that's our timer, so I'm on point. So we have our little butter here being melted, and we're putting a little okra something. You can call it a little okra stir fry. You know, this butter on the bottom of this thing is sort of, we're not going to go for long on this, so we're going to get our flame up because we want some nice pretty color. We're going to get our flame up, and we're going to put a little hot water on this, not a lot. So we're going to make it go on there, and we're going to cover it. So we're going into the oven now. So let us leave this to do a little thing. It won't be long, you know, because the okras are really nice and soft and all of that. So when we return, we're going to come right out of the oven with our fish. Let us see what is happening. We're going to turn this down on the low and leave it there. Out. And we're going to have to give it a little time. You see the steam coming through there. Now family, you got to be real careful on this. This is no playing. Okay y'all? We don't play right here because all these steams are trapped within this thing, this under this. So you got to be real careful. I say to you all, please be careful. You're going to pry. Wow. Camera girl, can you shoot them up on that steam coming out? Yes. So we're going in here, go see what it is like. And all of that. Because, wow. So you got to be careful, okay? Remember, you see that steam? That was what was used to cook that fish. Right, so we can take a look at, wow. How do you do, please? Hello? Hello, please. Hello, hello. Where are these people going? They seem to be going somewhere on point. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to test. You're going to use your fork. Hello. I'm not supposed to be, camera girl, please get right in on this testing for me. This is the flesh of the fish. This is the fork. These are the vegetables. Now, if you all know about fish, I don't think I've got to say anything right here. You notice our husband, him never skin up because I thought him the kind of owl, you know, somebody think him that skin up, but a good boy and look good. What we need to do now, we're going to scoop some of these juices and we're going to get them right over. Hello? You got to be riding and whistling. Remember, what have the okra something over here, so go on here. And camera girl is laughing because she loves to laugh these days. I'm not sure. So we're going to get our flame up. Riding and whistling right here in right now. We're gonna taste. Remember, you don't put the spoon in your mouth, you see? Okay, we need a pinch of salt. Even though sometimes you might be cooking for yourself, practice not to just take the spoon from the pot and jam it in your mouth. That's not nice, okay? So now we've got this thing going on. It's not supposed to cook until they get black here, you know, okay? Because these okras must be, come on girl, this is not a joke, okay? These okras must be crunchy, pretty green, yet cooked. So this, get right in please, camera girl. This is what is happening right here. So we're not there much fast, but we have got to go right back over here because we've got to get some plating going on. So now we have to take these nice juices, okay, and you're gonna use it to baste all of this, what is happening inside. Now, camera girl, she has company. Do you want to come and taste for us, Malik? Do you want to do taste test? Are you brave enough?
Sure, why not?
Okay, but not yet. Camera girl has company, and he's a very handsome young man, and he is quite intelligent, and he will be doing the taste test for you all. Okay, when we return, taste test. Okay, y'all. So remember, this wasn't about her husband, it was about her. This is her. We can give her a name. I don't know. Maybe her name would be like Poncerella. Okay. We have some names like this in Jamaica. We could call her Poncerella. Okay, now it's just a little hilariousness, you know. Now we are gonna put our okra to the, you know. Please listen. You know it's all like about presentation. So you've got to do something. You don't have to do as I do. If you like what I do, you can do it. But it's all about presentation. Okay? So you're going now, because we're going to leave a little of this okra, because we're going to have some taste testing going on for the very first time on West Indian Delights. Let me present, then we return with the taste testing. Okay, y'all? Now, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your American, your Canadian, your Surinamese, wherever, from my Jamaican kitchen to your kitchen, this is your stuffed oven baked fish. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to share. You need to share this. Remember to show some love in the comment section by leaving your comments below. Remember to up on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. We're there and we're doing what we're doing. So remember also, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. When you do, remember to hit that notification bell. From my Jamaican kitchen to yours, please do enjoy. And can I say something? You know, this was supposed to be on the Easter table, but honest to God, your girl just, you know, sometimes you just don't have the zeal of those, you know. You're just one human sometimes. Please enjoy. No, we do say bless and no stress, because we're gonna flip this camera here. We're gonna cut, and when we return, some serious taste testing will be going on right here on West Indian Delights.
Alright guys, so this is my friend Malik. As my mom said that I have company. So we're going to be taste testing the callaloo stuffed oven baked fish. So
looks very tasty.
yes. Alright, let's go. I don't like okra, so stay away from it.
This is very scrumptious. I have to take
This
some more.
tastes really good, guys.
Please say something to the camera. Guys, I'm behind the camera here in front of you. See the camera, well, no, I'm here, Wally. Please say something. Look in the camera and say something, y'all.
It tastes really good, yeah.
Auntie Debbie, you can cook, you know?
Okay. Okay, y'all. You heard it. So now, guys, for the very first time on West Indian Delights, I have a teenager doing a taste test. What better way? What better way? Because you know, teenager, anything when them taste like that, them are gonna say, you know. So I hope you all remember to like, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, you might want to do so. So love you so much. Remember, do enjoy. So you remember, bless, no stress.